Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in this video I'm going to share with you where you can get non-copyrighted songs for your YouTube videos, songs that you put on your videos like your vlogs, your sit down and talk videos, and you won't get a copyright claim. It's so annoying after making videos and then editing them. When you now post it, YouTube will flag it with copyright claim just because of the type of song you used. Now if you have a copyright claim on any of your videos, I'm going to refer you to a video I made on how you can remove copyright claims from your video. So go and check that video. I'm going to leave it up here in the cards so you can check it out to remove your copyright claim from any video that you already have it in. So if it's your first time dropping by, hi, please do not make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button to join the family. Now let's get started. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 places where you can get non-copyrighted songs from, be it Nigerian songs, American songs, any type of song you want for any type of video you want to use it for. And the best thing is that these songs are non-copyrighted. You're not going to get a copyright claim when you use these songs. And I'm going to show you how to use each song for each website or app that I'm going to talk about. Now, the first one I'm going to talk about is Thematic Sound, hellothematic.com. That's how you can get songs from there. Now, it has a free version and a paid version. I use the free version and they have variety of songs for vlogs, sit down and talk videos, literally any type. The only thing you have to do when using songs from here is that there's a link they're going to provide for you. Now when you upload your video, make sure that you copy that link and paste it on your description. So you have to put the link on your description of any video you use it for, because if you don't do that, you're going to get a copyright claim. So, and it's the least thing you can do. I mean, they're giving you songs for free. So, I mean, what is there to just copy a link and paste it on your description box? I was very skeptical about using songs from Thematic because I thought that they'll give me a copyright claim. But if you just copy the link and paste it on your description box, you are free to use their sound. I'm going to show you guys how to download songs from there and where to get the link that you need to copy to paste on your description box. Make sure to paste that link on your description box. If not, you're going to get a copyright claim. Aside that, you are good to go. Once you've gone to your browser, just type in hellothematic.com and click on search. Now, if you don't have an account with them, you can sign up for free by clicking on that sign up button. But if you already have an account with them, you just click on login. Now, once you click on the sign up button, they're going to ask you to sign up with either Google or just with your email, and these are just the platforms you can use Thematic Sounds in. Now, I already have an account with them, so I just clicked on the login button and I logged in as a creator, and this is what Thematic Sound looks like. You can actually see sounds that other creators like you used for their vlogs, and you can click on it from there and you can select the sounds that fit your aesthetic. Now I'm going to show you the plans they have. As you can see, this is my current plan and it is free. They have the premium plan for $7.99 and they have the pro plan for $24.99 per month. So if you want to pay for this premium or pro, you can actually pay for it. Now, to discover sounds, just click on the 3 button there and click on discover, and you're going to see various sounds. Anyone with diamonds on them, do not touch them. Do not try to get songs from there. Do not try to screen record or get the sound anyhow. Just stick with the ones that do not have that diamond crest on it. The ones with diamonds are for those who have paid, but if you're using the free version, do not collect songs from there. You can't actually download songs from the diamond crested ones. As you can see, said I have to unlock it, but once I click on the one without the diamond on it, you can see that there's a download option there. Now you can download this song or any song you want. Now you can search for any song you want, and once you're ready to just click on the download button there, and once you do that, you're going to see the link that you have to copy, the link that I have been talking about. If you're using it for Instagram, you see the link for Instagram. If you're using it for YouTube, you see the link for YouTube. Now you can copy that link and paste it on your notes if you're not yet ready to use that song, but always remember to paste it on your description box once you post your video. Now, the second option I'm going to share with you is literally the safest option, and that is the YouTube audio library. You can find your YouTube audio library in your YouTube studio when you log in through Chrome. I'm going to show you how to get songs from the YouTube audio library. The thing about the YouTube audio library is that you cannot get any copyright claim from there, because these are songs that YouTube gave us creators to download and use on our videos. There are different types of songs you can see there, and you have to download from there. You do not need to paste any link like the thematic sound. You just need to download it and use it on your videos, and YouTube will not give you any copyright claim. Like I said, YouTube are the ones that give us these songs to use. Now I'm going to show you how to download songs from your YouTube audio library. Once you've logged into your YouTube account on Chrome or any other browser, just click on YouTube Studio and you're going to see the YouTube audio library. I think that's the last option. And once you click on it, you're going to see all the songs that YouTube have recommended for us. These are songs. You can also search for any song you want. Basically, if you already have anyone in mind, you can search for it by clicking on the search button. Once you've seen the song that you want, just click on it and you're going to see the download button there. Click on the download button, download it to your phone, and you can use that song on your video. You can also get songs for your YouTube videos from the YouTube app itself. Now, hear me out. Hear me out. You cannot just go into the YouTube app, get any song you like, and use it on your video. You're definitely signing up for a copyright claim. There are things you need to know if you want to get songs from the YouTube app itself. Number one is that you must not, do not even try it. Do not get songs from the original creator, like Burna Boy, Oxlade, Davido. Don't just go to their main page and download songs from there that you want to use on YouTube. Those songs are licensed and they are going to give you a copyright claim. Now, if you want to get songs from the YouTube app itself, there are covers that you can use. Now, there are people that cover these songs. Go on there, type in, I'm going to show you how you can do it actually. Type in the song you want to use and type cover. You're going to see different covers. Check the one that you like, download it, and test it. You have to test it. Now, I've already made a video on how to know if a song has copyright claims. So I'm going to leave that link, the card up here. So you check it out and know if that song is going to give your video a copyright claim. Don't just download any song you see and use it on your YouTube video. You would definitely get a copyright claim. Open your YouTube app, click on the search button and search for the song you want to use and click on cover. Here I'm using brush cover and you're going to see different covers for this song, and this is me just checking for the one that I want to use. And do that, search for the one you want to use, and I chose this one. I went to a description box to see if there's any instruction on how to use her music, but if there is none, like I said, test it out and see if it's going to give you a copyright. The fourth place I'm going to recommend for you is SoundCloud. SoundCloud is literally the holy grail, especially if you want to get Nigerian songs for your vlogs. Now, the thing about SoundCloud is that you don't know which song is going to give you copyright claim, but I've already fixed that issue because I've referred you to the video I made on how to know if a song is going to give you copyright claim. You're going to test any song you get from SoundCloud. Just like with the YouTube app, getting songs from the YouTube app, you have to test the songs you get on SoundCloud, and you must not use the original. You must get a cover from the song. Like I said, any song you want to use, just type in and type the cover and see the one that will fit your vibe. For extra points, the fifth one I'm going to talk about is Epidemic Sounds. Now, I've not used songs from Epidemic Sounds, but from other people, I know that Epidemic Sound is paid. You need to pay to use songs from Epidemic Sounds, but they give you a 7 days trial, so you can get songs from there within 7 days and use on your channel. Now, after that 7 days, if you don't pay for the songs, they're not going to give those songs you already used a copyright claim. They're not going to give the videos any copyright claim. That's it about Epidemic Sound. Just know that it is paid, but if you can pay for it, I've heard songs from there from people that use it, and it's actually quite nice. They have good an amazing song. I hope this video was helpful. Do well to like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the family. Now, if there's any video you want me to create, do well to leave it in the comment section and I will be watching out for it. Now, bye.